Welcome to the Terrace Hotel, where today's guest is a very special budgie.
Hello, everyone. How are you all? Today, I am on diet. I am at Diet Special Hotel. I hope you all are also enjoying holiday.
Nice place. Let's check the food first. Okay, seeds look fresh. Service is decent. I might give 5 stars, maybe.
She seems happy. Everything is going smoothly.
Wait, what is this? Why is this seed here? This is unacceptable. I did not order this. Take it away. Worst hotel ever.
Oh no, things escalated quickly.
I need to complain to the manager. Let me out. I want to speak to management. This hotel is illegal.
She's now protesting against the hotel structure.
Where is the waiter?
Ma'am, please relax. We apologize for the inconvenience. Here is fresh premium seed.
This looks better.
And just like that, peace is restored.
Okay, I forgive you, but improve your service. Now, this is good.
And just like that, peace is restored.